So, for centuries, thinkers long wondered how faith and reason can work together. In what way can they be harmonized, especially since faith deals with the mysteries that goes beyond human capabilities? The central question is that how can this deep spiritual truth be explained without losing their meaning? And to this, I argue that the language serves as a tool through which faith and reason engage, enabling human understanding of the divine realities while still keeping its mysteries intact. In other words, the words and ideas we use every day can be reshaped to help us think about God and spiritual matters whilst respecting their deeper meaning. And to support this argument, first, language connects faith and reason while using familiar concepts. Calling God Father illustrates His love, as Saint Anselm's phrase, "that which nothing greater can be thought," reflects divine greatness. So before entering the seminary, I didn't fully understand some terms for God, but over time, they helped me deepening my relationship with Him. Second, language reminds us that some truths are beyond understanding. The Trinity terms like persons and one God helps reflection but don't fully explain the mysteries. Similarly, earthly analogies for God clarify but never fully grasp His essence. Third, language enables faith and reason to work together. Reason clarifies theological ideas while preserving its mysteries. For example, reason helps explain the incarnation, but faith reminds us of its transcendence. As Pope John Paul II in his Fides et Ratio states that faith and reason are like two wings, lifting the human spirit to truth. Now, some argue that language can't fully express divine mysteries, as words like Father or Trinity are analogies that fall short. Second, critics claim that language only gives a superficial grasp of faith mysteries. Describing God as Father conveys love, but not its full transcendence. Also, other argues that language oversimplifies theological concepts like Trinity, leading into confusion. And lastly, some believes that reason analytical nature weakens faith mystery, reducing theological truths to its mere logic. And to answer this objection, first, language can't fully define divine mysteries. It engages faith and reason meaningfully. As Sokolowski explained, that language bridges the known and the unknown through analogies like Father. So in my prayer, words feel like inadequate, but still it allows me to relate to God. Second, faith and reason are not opposed. Reason articulates faith without reducing it. Sokolowski states that they are complementing each other. Reason clarifies what faith reveals. So example is in discussing Christ's dual nature with the filial person, deepened my understanding of its mystery. Third, diverse religious language highlights language's adaptability. So, Saharirin argues that language expresses divine truth across cultures. Sokolowski emphasizes that different traditions use terms seeking to express similar truth. In my experience, diverse worship styles still focus on God. So thank you for listening. That will be all.